15 cute things about girls that boys love.
Welcome to Brainly Speak.
In general, girls don't have to work so hard. Impress men. In fact, you usually don't need to try. At all. Men are visual creatures who want things like that. It looks fun in their eyes. Turns out, there are a lot of cute things for girls. Do people love it and know about it? Things can also help improve your relationship. So let's get started. Number 1, natural look. Girls are a little particular about makeup, and often she refuses to leave the house without it. Painted face. But little do they realize the boys have found something. Her natural looks are so cute and irresistible. Men love to dress up girls. It looks attractive and they appreciate it very much. When she goes out without makeup, it's natural and comfortable around him. Shows her security and confidence. Number 2, call him by name. When a girl calls a man's name, whisper in the bedroom or cheekily. Men love to be in public. Even the simple thing of calling his name. When she needs help, just say hello. Enough to secretly make him dizzy. Number 3, wear his clothes. Guys love when their girlfriends are near. Wear a shirt or t-shirt. Not only does it look lovely, he wears oversized clothes, but so do they. It looks really hot. Always feels safe and secure. Man caught his girlfriend hanging out in his clothes. This means that both are comfortable. Common. Number 4, wear glasses. Boys often think it's cute when girls wear it. Glasses. It's even sexy. Maybe something really good. You look like a nerd. Maybe it's because it reminds me of my teacher. Fantasy. Whatever it is, it works. Number 5, headboard. There's something incredibly sweet and seductive about it. A girl whose head parts look good on her. She is at her most raw and natural. She is very vulnerable, but she managed to pull it off. Most guys find this absolutely attractive. Number 6, bite your lip. Lip biting is an ancient form of flirting, and there is something about it. Guys notice girls. But if a girl has a habit of biting her lips, subconsciously this adds to their personality, and her husband falls in love with her. All again. Number 7, laughter. Free laughter to enlighten you. Men find it attractive because faces are contagious. When a girl smiles honestly, just a giggle makes things better. Not only does it calm men down, this makes them especially attracted to girls when their jokes make them laugh. Number 8, play with hair. A girl's hair is a source of attraction itself. It's effective to play with it. Boys definitely do. I want to see girls playing with their hair, whether intentional or not. There's something about this hair play, something that has a magical charm, impact on boys. They also take it as a sign of interest. Maybe that's all. Whether you're curling or setting curls, behind the ears is not only cute, it is also very elegant and feminine. Number 9, reach for something. Girls are mostly out. Reach out for something high up. This is something that every boy thinks is cute. That's not enough. Even if you buy from a store, in something, or striving men, make it to the top shelf of his closet, believe me. Like it or not, everyone will take their time. Before you help me just because I respect you. Scenery. Number 10, put on your baseball cap and go forward. Boys think girls are cute. Wearing a baseball cap on the front. Well, I'm not talking about when girls grab. Hats off to cheap selfies. I'm talking about when a girl buys things for herself. She puts on her hat and wears it neatly. She may look a little awkward, but that's all. Perhaps that's why it's so cute. Number 11, how she's scared. A girl's fear can be rational. It may not be, but guys are interested in someone who can do it. I get so strong when it comes to things that matter. Such horror in life, and when it happens, small ones, something like spiders, basically anything scary, like crawling. But they are more than ready. Kill spiders for girls. Or if she doesn't, follow her to her car at night. I want to go alone. Guys like girls scared sometimes, because it allows them to stand up and be here. Protection. Number 12, video games and sports. Guys love it when they find a girl who has it. Similar interests, especially fun-loving and adventurous people. Girls who are interested in sports, video games drive men crazy. Of course, not all girls are into it, but if they come on board and show their support, you guys, I think it's adorable. Number 13, cooking. Guys love when girls try to cook and show off. Their love is like this. Even if they aren't the best chefs in the world, people of the world, they still strive to cook something. And although their attempts do not always hold true, unfolding as expected, their efforts are still to come. Accepted. Number 14, begging eyes. This is definitely one of the cutest. Girls do it to get men to appreciate and love them. They are more than that. And most men would agree that girls look special, cute. In the blanket, her eyes have a lost expression. This is not only true at the beginning of things, whether in love or infidelity, throughout. Number 15, whole relationship. Guys say they hate it sometimes, to get close. But when a man falls in love with a girl, he will want to hug her more. He's got nothing better than having her girlfriend he's got. Be loved, wrapped in safety and security. His arm. When she wraps around his neck, she lays on his knee when she sees him. Watching movies, using the whole body. As a heat source in bed, it makes him good feeling. Do you agree with this list? Can you think of anything else cute, miss? Do you love this boy? Let us know in the comments section below. If you like this video, please rate it, upload and share with your friends. Click subscribe for more videos like this. Click the button and don't forget to click the notification bell jar. Be sure to check out our other videos. Even if. Thank you for reading.